Okay guys, I should have done this from the beginning of the introduction to corelDRAW, but I'll be doing it today since we just finished introduction to corelDRAW. So we'll be looking at graphics package. So I just want to give you some brief explanation on what we mean by graphics designing or graphics package. So graphics package, we're looking at the introduction to graphics package. But first, we have to know the definition of graphics package. So, a graphics package is a software program used to create, edit, and manipulate images or drawing on the computer. So they are mainly applications or software in which we use to design or draw or create images on the computer. So it provides tool for designing, coloring, shaping, and modifying picture of graphics. Then now we'll be looking at the types of graphics packages. The graphics packages are categorized into two main types, and the first type is the bitmap, or you can call it raster graphics package. So it stores image as tiny dots called pixels, and when it's zoomed, image loses quality, which is called pixelization or pixelation. Sorry. So when you zoom a particular picture and then it loses quality, it's called pixelation. um it is used for editing photos and digital images. For, examples of software in which you use for bitmap graphic designing are the Adobe Photoshop, the Corel Photo Paint, the GIMP, and the Microsoft Paint. So those are the apps in which we use for the bitmap graphics package. So let me show you a picture of how a bitmap graphics package looks like. So now if you look at this flower, if you take a look at this flower, see that this flower is clear, but when we zoom it, you're having a kind of boxy stuff which we call pixels. So each box comes together to make up that picture. So those are what we call bitmap graphics design, and the software used for these are what I've explained down here. So we're looking at a second example, which is the vector graphics package. So it uses mathematical formulas to create images. For example, if you want to increase the width of your outline, you use numbers to do that, which we call mathematical formulas. Or when you draw a shape, it calculates the size of the shape at the top left of your um, graphics package. So number two, it can be resized without losing quality. So those images can be zoomed or can be enlarged without its quality being lost. Ideal for designing logo, illustration, and drawing. So those packages are mainly used for designing of logos and some other things. So examples of software are the Adobe Illustrator, the corelDRAW, the Inkscape, and the AutoCAD. So those are the applications we use for vector graphics design.